Hey YouTubers, want to do a quick review of one of my favorite inexpensive products here at the house. It's Loctite Superglue Ultra Liquid Control brand. I have been using this for a long time, and over the years I've used a lot of different super glues, and this has become my favorite for a host of reasons. Number one main reason, it's usable. Each time you go to use it, you can use it. It hasn't dried up. So many times I go to use super glue and it's all dried up. Today I'm adding a tiny bit to these glasses where the frame broke. You can squeeze on the side and get precise control. Okay, it'll be done in 30 seconds. You have really good control with that squeeze grip on the side. It's clog resistant. Next time you go to use this, it won't be all clogged up. It bonds in like 30 seconds. It's very strong. It works with metal, plastic, ceramic, rubber. It's perfect for really small detailed work. You have a brand that's Loctite that's been around for generations, and it only costs $3. You know, it's going to last a long time because each time you use it, it's ready to go again. And like the rest of them, they're always clogging up on you. And it's a really, I mean, I design stuff, build stuff, I make stuff. When I see something that's really well designed, a lot of thought put into it, and both the manufacture of the glue itself and then the delivery method, this is very well thought of, well designed product. And it's so inexpensive, especially when you are always going to able to, it's got 0.14 ounces. I don't know how many drops that is, but you're going to be able to use all of them, unlike the other glues that you have. So big thumbs up for Loctite. Okay, it's done.